guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here, back with a new video, and today I'm going to be doing the eye look that I had on in my previous video, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation review. If you did not see that, I would definitely link that in the description box. Have it pop up in the card. Don't forget to check that out. I'll be definitely using this foundation, and I'm going to be definitely letting you know my 8-hour wear test on this foundation. So this is like a little part 2 type of thing. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and keep coming back. To be creating this look, I'm going to be using the Bhcosmetics Studio Pro palette. I do have a review on this palette, and I will link it in the bottom bar. So anyway, I'm going to use my ItsMyRayeRaye brush. It's my favorite brush in the whole wide world. So I'm going to take these 2 shades right here. These are my favorite transition shades. And I'm going to just put that in the crease. Put this gray shade in my crease. These 2 gray shades right here. These are my first time using these shades. Well, not this look. So I'm going to put these 2 shades in my crease. I'm going to use this. Yes, I'm going to use this gray in the outer corner of my eye. The first 2 gray shades that I put in my crease, which is right here, and I'm going to put that right after the dark gray that I just put. So brush with the light gray on it, and we're going to just blend that into the cut crease. But I'm gonna take this angle brush from Elf. I think it's supposed to be a brow brush because it has the spoolie at the end, but I don't use it for that. So now we are going to basically go into any dark shade. Like this one, for instance. Like this is the closest black to this palette. I don't have any other palettes out, but you know, this will do fine. It's no big deal. So I'm gonna do some fake eyeliner. So I'm gonna just basically go up from my lash line. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna act like I'm doing winged eyeliner when I'm really not. I'm just creating a wing with eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just keep that at my lower lash line. I'm just doing a triangle, basically a slant line. Now I'm gonna go back in with my cut crease brush and just go over with some concealer that line to make it a little bit more sharper. I just made that a little bit more sharper. Now I'm going to go in with the light gray. See, it's a lot of go back in. So we're going to go with the light gray and just try to diffuse that black a little bit, because remember, this is the light gray here. So we're going to just try to diffuse that a little bit. And on my lid. Eyeliner. So that's what I'm just going to do. For those who have problems with winged eyeliner, I always have problems with winged eyeliner, like all the time. I still have problems with winged eyeliner, so don't feel discouraged. Don't feel like you cannot do it, because you can. So let's go in here, and that's going on a positive note here. Okay. So this is the NYX White eyeliner in BLANC, and I'm just gonna dip my brush, dip it. And I'm going to create a winged, act like I'm going to do a winged eyeliner, but just put a line here and then line over the black. Okay, let's pray for me. Pray for your girl. See? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. One line. You can't go wrong. I mean, I'm just saying, you can't go wrong. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my eyeshadow. Well, I did my other eye. I primed my face. If you guys watch my videos, you already know what I find my face in. So I'm going to do a little color correcting with this Lego Pro. I'm going to use this on my problem areas. Y'all know I do not be color correcting. Like, I gave up on that stuff. But this pimple that I had not too long ago was doing the most. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I like this foundation. I'm in love with this foundation actually. I wore it for 8 hours yesterday and I really think that it's good. And this time I set it. But I feel like whether you set it or not, it's still a good foundation. I didn't even wear it 8 hours. I'm a whole liar. I had it on from 1 o'clock to 3 in the morning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3. So that's 13 hours. And this foundation held up. It did settle in my fine lines a little bit, but I'm not you know, it just doesn't bother me. Like, I don't let it take over my life. It settled in my fine lines, but it didn't settle crazy. So I'm for it. And I had it on for a very long time. I had it on longer than I anticipated to. And I really had this on for 13 hours, and my face was still beat. First of all, my freaking highlight was still popping. I was like, whoa. If y'all want a video on how to keep your highlight popping for 24 hours, for 13 hours, please let me know in the comment section. That should be a dope video, because sometimes the highlights. Oh, and this freaking NYX, hold on, this NYX face sponge, huh, stop playing with me. Beauty blender who? Oh, okay, who's beauty blender? No shade, but this sponge is a bomb. This is the best thing I could have ever bought. This is better than the Real Techniques. I like the Real Techniques sponges, but I feel like they start to deteriorate too fast for me, and I really don't have time for that. Like, I need you to perform like at least a long time. Like, this is very doable and it's not cheap feeling, so it's bomb. You see how fast I blended out this foundation? Like, hello. Do it now. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade D. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for clicking this video. I appreciate you guys so much. This look came out bomb. I feel like this came out even better than before, so I'm in love. So I'm about to head out, and don't forget to click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and stay pretty, love yourself, and be fierce, honey. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to let me know what y'all want to see next, or in the near future, a year from now, whatever. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Later.